In this video we are going to show you how to remove radio navigation touchscreen from a 2012 Jeep Wrangler, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need: dashboard removal tools, and then flat screwdriver, and the size 7mm socket. And the first step, you need to remove the air conditioning vent. We already made everything loose, by the way, so this is just for the demonstration only. So there is a clip inside the air conditioning vent. I'm going to show you on the other one, which is loose already. To remove the air conditioning vent, as you can see, there is a hole inside the air conditioning vent, which you need to move the flap either counterclockwise or clockwise, and then you can see that cavity is open, and then you insert this right over here, and then you insert the screwdriver through this hole, and then you push this clip down, and then you can rotate the air conditioning vent and remove it. Then you push it down, and then you rotate it counterclockwise, and the AC vent it comes out. So if I close this flap, then you wouldn't be able to see this hole anymore. See, the flap is closed, and then you cannot insert your screwdriver. So you move the flap to the side, the opening is, and then you can insert your screwdriver, push the clip downward, and rotate the AC vent, and then you can just pull it out. I'll show it to you right here. You just insert it into the hole, and then rotate it, and then it comes. And you need to do the same thing on the driver's side. And the next step, you drop the panel underneath the steering wheel column. In this step, we push the Windows controller forward so to get it out. You insert your hand into the AC vent cavity, and then you need to, in order to disconnect the connector, you have to push this red lever to the left, and then you can disconnect the connector. That's it. And if you make sure, you have to push this one to the left in order to disengage this connector from the Windows controller. And then you remove this cover on the top. And as you can see, there is a screw over there. All of the screws, by the way, are size 7mm. You need to use the socket. And then there is another one over here, and then there is one next to the ignition key, and there is another one on the driver's side next to the steering wheel column right there. You need to remove the screw. Once you get all of these screws out, you can remove the part of the dashboard. Now you can pop the dashboard. You just have to use your hand and just pull it forward. It doesn't have any connector, then you can put it on the side, and as you can see, the radio has 4 mounting screws. They're all 7mm, 2 on the driver's side and then 2 on the passenger side. And once you get these 4 screws out, then you can pull the radio out and then disconnect the connectors. If you need any repair for the touch panel or the navigation or the radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.